Welcome to this demonstration of Arena Document Management. Competing in today's global economy requires delivering high-quality products to market while adhering to industry standards and regulations. Your company's success involves managing many different processes while collaborating with different teams across quality, regulatory, engineering, operations, and more. Effective document management is crucial for ensuring that all these processes run smoothly and efficiently, reducing errors and improving compliance. Businesses often encounter several challenges when managing documents prior to coming to Arena. These include adhering to various industry standards and regulations, seamlessly integrating document management solutions with their current systems, ensuring that everyone in the organization is working with the most current and accurate information, making sure documents are easily accessible while facilitating collaboration among dispersed teams, and managing the entire lifecycle of documents from creation to end of life. We will highlight Arena's capabilities by walking through a document control story around a quality procedure update. In our scenario, a significant issue is reported by the production team. A batch of products have failed their final inspection due to a recurring defect. This triggers a corrective action process to identify and resolve the root cause. The defect was traced back to a specific step in the assembly process where a component was not being properly secured. The QA manager decides that the work instruction needs to be updated immediately to prevent future occurrences. They assign the quality engineer to draft a new procedure, ensuring it includes detailed steps and visual aids for clarity. A document control specialist gives final approval on the updated work instruction. They ensure that all relevant personnel are notified of the change and that the old version was archived. With the new procedure in place, the production team receives training on the updated work instruction. And after receiving their training, the next batch of products pass the final inspection with flying colors, and the defect is eliminated. Now let's jump into the demo and take a look. It's going to be important that all the members of your team can find any relevant documentation in the system, so let's quickly highlight Arena's search capabilities to navigate to the document we've been referring to. In this example, the quality engineer runs a search for all released work instructions. After running the search, we can see the documents listed out. From the search results page in Arena, users can easily see if documents belong to a quality process, or perhaps some of these documents are going through a change, which is displayed under the stamp icon. If we need to download any of these procedures, we can easily do so under the Files column on the right. Notice how users can select either the original document or a watermarked version. When you open your cloud documents with watermarking, Arena automatically turns them into PDFs. Arena watermarking dynamically overlays required identifying information, like the date and user details. This helps users instantly verify they are working with the current and correct version of this document, ensuring accuracy and compliance in every task. From here, our quality engineer will navigate to the item record for this specific work instruction. Navigating to the document record, the quality engineer can see the most effective version of this document is presented. From the spec summary of basic information, we can see any relevant metadata associated with this document. Arena makes it easy to run reports and analytics based on any of this information. Now let's go to the Files subview of the document item. From this view, our quality engineer can download the latest version of the document. Our Office 365 integration makes it easy to streamline document management by directly linking your cloud documents with full traceability and revision control. From within Arena, we can quickly see if Microsoft 365 files have been revised with real-time updates and decide whether to create a new Arena file edition that incorporates these edits. As the quality engineer, let's go ahead and make some edits to the work instruction. Once the draft is ready, we also send it to the production supervisor for review. The production supervisor provides feedback based on their team's experience, suggesting a few minor adjustments to make the instructions even clearer. Now back in Arena, we can see these changes under the draft history of the working revision of the document. We will go ahead and create a new edition by selecting the most current version. We will call this edition number 2. Now we can go ahead and kick off the change order with these new updates. We will title this change Quality Procedure Update. Then we will manually select the routing for approval. Take note that changes can be made effective immediately upon approval, or you can set a future effectivity date if you'd like the team to train on this document prior to it being released to its newest revision in Arena. Once we've added the work instruction to this change, we can see that the files column is highlighted, letting us know what's being updated. Then from the approval routing subview, we can see who will be involved in this change. Our document approval routing is segmented into 3 stages, starting with the production supervisor. Next, the revised document is sent to the regulatory affairs specialist to ensure it meets all regulatory requirements. Finally, a document control specialist gives approval on the updated work instruction, ensuring that all relevant personnel are notified of the change and that the old version is archived. With the new procedure in place, the production team receives their training on the updated work instruction. The QA manager praises the team for their swift and effective response. The successful update not only resolves the immediate issue, but also reinforces the importance of continuous improvement and collaboration across departments. In summary, Arena Document Management enhances collaboration, ensures compliance, and speeds up product development, all of which drive greater efficiency and reduce risks for companies. That concludes our overview of Arena Document Management. If you'd like to learn more, please reach out to the Arena team.